The recipe we're breaking down today is the highly praised, refreshing, and sweet and sour Kkakdugi, straight out of a classic Korean soup joint. Cue the slate! We're making tuna melts. First, mix the tuna, cheese, and mayo until combined. Next, spread it on bread and chop it up. Almost ready. Stay tuned.
All right, let's prep these radishes. First, a good wash. Scrub thoroughly to get all the dirt off. Now, use the peeler to clean up any rough spots. Looking good. Next step. Cut the radish into thick, finger-width rounds, about 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Then, quarter them. Chunky pieces mean a better crunch and a much more appetizing look. Toss the chopped radish with 2 tablespoons of pure fine salt and 1 teaspoon of new sugar. Pro tip, use clean, impurity-free salt since we won't rinse it after. We need to salt it for 2 hours total. After the first hour, give it a good toss from bottom to top so everything salts evenly.
While the radish is salting, grab your blender. Toss in half a bowl of cold rice, 120 ml of water, 60 gram of garlic, 20 gram of chopped ginger, and blended tablespoon of salted shrimp.
Pouring in the blended sauce now. Now, let's mix it all together. Stir until it's a smooth, uniform sauce. After 2 hours, do not rinse the radish. Just strain it and let it sit for about 5 minutes to naturally drain the excess liquid. Place the drained radish in a large basin, scrape in every last drop of your signature sauce, and mix it up thoroughly. All right, let's pack this Kkakdugi. Lid on tight. Now, out to the balcony for fermentation. Check on it daily and enjoy your kimchi. After 3 days, when that sweet and sour juice forms, give it one good mix, pop it in the fridge, and enjoy. Hey there, here's my at-a-glance ingredient list. Just screenshot this for the grocery store and you're golden. Did you like this clean breakdown from a 10-year broadcast writer and the pro tips from a 1 million sub YouTuber? I'm rooting for your Kkakdugi success today. Have a delicious meal.
All right, all the prep is done. Pouring in the flair of a veteran writer and the vibe of a mega YouTuber, let's roll into the mouth-watering final tasting scene. Perfection. Like and subscribe for more Chef Cat adventures. Let me try a piece. The moment I pop this chunky radish into my mouth, do you hear that? That sound is the very radish juice burst in your mouth, followed by the perfect harmony of new sugar's subtle sweetness and the chili flakes' spicy kick. Now, let's dunk the rice into the soup and drizzle a spoonful of that Kkakdugi juice over it. Place a piece of Kkakdugi right on top of that red-tinted broth and take a huge bite. Yes, this is the taste. It's the grand finale of the soup.
Guys, when you're craving that restaurant taste, look no further. 3 days of patient prep turns your dining table into a nationwide hub hotspot. Tonight, I hope you share this crunchy happiness with your family.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. I'll be back with even tastier recipes and tighter scripts. Thanks for watching, everyone, and eat well today. How's that? Doesn't it make you want to sprint to the kitchen and start chopping radishes right now?
Got a Korean dish you want to learn?
Catch you later!